Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to connect TradingView and MetaTrader 5. Alright, let's begin. First, open any type of preferred browser on your PC and search for TradingView chart. After that, open the official website and sign into your account. Here, if you click on this arrow icon at the bottom of the screen, you can see that a menu slides onto the screen. Inside it, navigate to the trading panel, and you will be able to see all the brokers that you can use to start trading in TradingView. But you won't be able to find MetaTrader in this list, because as you can see, currently you can log in with the MetaTrader account on TradingView, but trading is not available. So basically, you will need to choose from one of the available brokers and then start trading. So that's basically how you can connect TradingView and MetaTrader 5. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.